We're making dirty rice with some leftover sausage, ground sausage, and it's very simple. Saute the onions. Once they're done, adding the sausage to heat it up, and then we're going to pour in, you could do water, but for a little more flavor, I'm going to use some French onion soup diluted with water, so the rice can cook in that. All right, I'm adding 3 cups of rice, so that means 6 cups of liquid. This is my measuring cup today. Up to the brim is 2 cups, so I'm gonna fill the rest with water. This was enough of, this is 1 10.5 ounce condensed can. So I'm gonna fill that with water, and that'll give me 2 cups. And I always rinse the can with the water that I'm adding to get all that extra flavor out of it. Since you have to rinse it out anyway, might as well get more of the soup. And 2 more cups, make 6 cups of liquid. All right, this is definitely off to a rumbling boil. We're adding our 3 cups of rice now. This is regular rice, it's not instant. Usually I would put cooked rice in with the sausage and the onion, the sauteed sausage and onion, and just almost like stir fry it or fry the rice with the sausage and onion. So maybe some people wouldn't call this dirty rice. You might call this more of a rice pilaf, but we're going to let this cook now for 20 minutes, and it's going to be very flavorful when it's done. Very simple. And there we are. We're all done. Everything's mixed thoroughly, and it smells amazing. Gonna try this. That's great, and that was simple. All right, guys, supper's ready.